Today we're checking out this Bullet Antenna in matte black for the 1999 and newer Silverado 1500s. If you want one of those quick appearance mods that cleans up the outside of your truck in just a couple minutes, this is a really easy one to like. It gives the Silverado a custom look that gets rid of that long factory antenna without turning it into some kind of big project, so it's definitely worth considering. This antenna is going to use a 50 caliber bullet style design, and that's the whole reason that a lot of people go after it in the first place. It gives the truck a much more aggressive and more custom look than that tall factory antenna, while still keeping the install quick and simple, and the radio functions flawless. A nice feature is that it's made of the exact same dimensions as a real 50 caliber bullet, which is a cool little detail for somebody who likes that style. Another nice little detail is the anti-theft thread locking compound that's going to come pre-applied, because that gives you a little more peace of mind once it's on the truck that somebody can't just easily screw it off and take it. It has that locking compound on it, but it's going to be removable if you really need to, so you're not locked into it forever if you ever want to switch it back to stock. For such a small part, it does a nice job making the truck look cleaner and more dialed in. When it comes to the construction on this, you were getting military grade 6061 billet aluminum with a matte black hard anodized finish. That billet aluminum build is going to be a huge part of the appeal because it gives the antenna the strength and the premium feel that you want, while that matte black finish helps resist chipping and keeps it looking good on the truck over time. It's a small part and a small mod, but it's made with the quality material that you want on the exterior of your truck, so it's definitely worth considering. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that $40 price range. That's a very easy price to justify, in my opinion, for a simple style mod like this, because you're getting a cleaner truck profile and a billet aluminum part for not much money at all. It's a fast and affordable way to add a little custom attitude to the truck. Now, when it comes to this install, it's getting rated a very simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get the job done in only 10 minutes of your time. Now, let's check out a quick install video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers. They're gonna show you exactly how this install process goes.
This is the 10mm and the 1/2" wrench that was used in today's video. The 10mm was for the factory antenna to remove that, and the 1/2" was for the adapters that came in the packaging. All right, today I'm going to be installing a bullet antenna. It comes with 2 adapters, an M7 and an M6, and both of them take a 1/2" wrench to install. And this antenna, to remove it, you need a 10mm. So you just take a 10mm and just unscrew it off. Then from here, you want to pop your hood to remove this piece, so that way you can get this adapter in more easily. And for this adapter, it's pretty easy. You just pop it right out, just like that, and that way you get a little bit more easy to that to be able to put your adapter on. And then once you get the adapter on, you can take a 1/2" wrench to just wrench tight, just like that. That's enough. And for my truck, I have a 2015 Chevy Silverado, and the M7 was the adapter that will connect to that one. And then once that's installed, you can just easily pop this back on. So that's just back on. And you just take the bullet antenna, you just screw that on, just like that, and that's it.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the Bullet Antenna in matte black for the 1999 and newer Silverado 1500s. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at American Trucks.